Have you ever wondered how the rich stay rich? How they seem to get such huge tax breaks? Well, the big secret is not really a secret. They just know how to use the tax laws to their advantage and how to use it to write off almost anything. When taking advantage of the tax laws, you need to know the King of Codes, IRS Code 162, which states, you are allowed to take a deduction for all ordinary and necessary expenses paid or incurred in the pursuit of income. But who decides what is ordinary and necessary? It is not the IRS, but it is you who decides what is ordinary and necessary in the pursuit of income. The first step to taking advantage of Code 162 is having a business. With the boom of the internet, it is easy for someone to turn their hobby into a business. The 3 factors you need to have to be considered a business by the IRS are time invested, 45 minutes a day, a business plan or strategy, and a mentor or coach. Once you have identified your business and established a plan, your expenses must have a link to your pursuit of income, and anytime you incur a business expense, you have to keep track of your proof of payment, so it is critical to remain organized. Let's take Jane. Jane is a realtor who shows beachfront properties to her clients. Jane buys a yacht to take her clients out on the water to show them the properties. From these outings on her yacht, Jane is able to close a real estate transaction. Now, with buying the yacht, would Jane be in the pursuit of income? Absolutely. This falls under Code 162. Thus, Jane decided what is ordinary and necessary. Jane was able to link the yacht to her business because she was in the pursuit of income while using it. Jane was able to write off the yacht. Jane knows what only 1% of Americans knows. We can all be like Jane when it comes to writing off almost anything, but you must know Code 162. You must have a business and link your expenses to the pursuit of income. And above all, you must remain organized and keep records of your purchases.